Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop, and this is the unboxing of the S9. Okay, well, a few days ago, we did the unboxing of the S9 Plus. That was the unlocked version. This is a version sent to us by At&T, and I'd like to thank Jeff Holmes and At&T for sending us this trial. And this is the S9 from At&T. Let's see if there's any difference inside. As you can see, it's the At&T logo on the side. And I'm sure we're going to have the usual suspects. So let's open this up. And you have the eject pin, which is nice to see. We also have, all the pamphlets inside. So we got Let's Get Started from At&T. DirecTV, TV on your terms. And terms and conditions, health and safety information. Let's put this away neatly. And then, here it is, the S9. So At&T usually has this on their screen protector. It can wait. Distracted driving is never okay, and I completely agree with them. They push this very hard. No texting and driving. I can't say I blame them. This is the S9, as you can see. Very similar to the S9 Plus, except the S9 Plus has the dual cameras. And obviously, the more gigs of RAM. This has 4 gigs versus the S9 Plus is 6 gigs. Overall, a beautiful feeling device. They sent me the exact same color that I ordered on the S9 Plus, which is nice. It's the coral blue. I think it's a beautiful color. And it's a very nice feeling device. What else do we have inside here? We have a SIM card. We had the rapid charger, wall charger. And inside, we do have the AKG headsets. We have the USB to USB-C plug, as well as the adapter here, USB to USB-C. I really like the look and feel of the S9, and I'll give you a little comparison in terms of size next to the S9 Plus. As you can see, it's a pretty big difference. This is a 5.8, this is a 6.2 inch screen. But the design is basically the same. It just looks like the older brother, really, if you could tell. Both coral blue. As you can see, the S9 Plus has the dual camera versus the single lens on the S9. Very well made device. I think they're the classiest devices made to date, but that's my opinion. And this is the unboxing of the S9. If you have any questions, anything you want us to tell you or show you, just let us know. This is Lenny signing off from One Tech Stop. Thank you.